Soothing digestion. Naturally, how to make a fennel, ginger, and honey tea. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to make a soothing tea that's perfect for easing digestive disturbances and relieving nausea. Today, we'll explore the benefits of 3 remarkable ingredients: fennel, ginger, and honey. Each of these has been celebrated through the ages for their health-promoting properties, particularly when it comes to calming the stomach and enhancing digestive health. Ingredient details. Fennel. This aromatic herb is not only used for its culinary delights, but also for its therapeutic properties. Fennel seeds are known to relieve bloating, gas, and stomach cramps, thanks to their anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties. Ginger. A root heralded for its potent medicinal properties, ginger can dramatically soothe an upset stomach, reduce nausea, and promote efficient digestion. Always opt for fresh ginger root to maximize the benefits, as it contains higher levels of gingerol, the compound responsible for its anti-inflammatory effects. Honey. Not just a sweetener, honey is a powerhouse of antioxidants. It's particularly soothing for the throat and can enhance the palatability and soothing effects of the tea. Preparation steps. Cleaning and preparing ingredients. Begin by thoroughly washing the fennel and ginger. It's important to remove any dirt and impurities to ensure your tea is clean and healthy. Slice the ginger root thinly to maximize the surface area, allowing more of its active compounds to leach into the boiling water. Crush the fennel seeds lightly to release their oils. Boiling process. In a pot, bring water to a boil and then add the sliced ginger and crushed fennel seeds. Let the mixture boil for about 5 to 10 minutes to ensure the ingredients infuse their essence into the water. Steeping. After boiling, turn off the heat and let the mixture steep for another 5 to 10 minutes. If you prefer a stronger flavor and more potent therapeutic effects, you can steep it longer. Adding honey. Once the tea has steeped, strain it into a cup and add honey to taste. Stir well so the honey dissolves completely. Integrating fennel, ginger, and honey tea into your daily routine. Optimal times to drink the tea. Understanding when to drink this tea can enhance its benefits. Before meals. Drinking a cup of this tea about 30 minutes before meals can prime your digestive system, helping to prevent indigestion and soothe the stomach lining. After meals. If you tend to experience bloating or discomfort after eating, having this tea post-meal can facilitate digestion and alleviate symptoms. At the first sign of nausea, keep this tea handy so you can sip on it at the first signs of nausea, which can prevent it from escalating. Daily dosage. While this tea is natural and generally safe, moderation is key. Typically 1 to 2 cups per day are sufficient. If you find yourself needing it more often, it might be worth investigating underlying causes of your digestive disturbances with a healthcare professional. Variations of the tea. To keep your palate interested and to cater to different needs and times of the year, here are some variations you can try. 1. Iced fennel, ginger, and honey tea. Prepare the tea as usual. Let it cool down and then refrigerate for a few hours. Serve with ice cubes for a refreshing summer drink that still offers all the digestive benefits. 2. Fennel, ginger, and lemon tea. Add a few slices of fresh lemon to the boiling process, or squeeze fresh lemon juice into the tea before drinking. Lemon not only adds a vibrant flavor, but also contributes vitamin C and enhances iron absorption from the fennel. 3. Fennel, ginger, and mint tea. Add a few fresh mint leaves during the steeping process. Mint is another herb known for its digestive benefits, particularly in relieving symptoms of IBS and other gastrointestinal disorders. Long-term benefits and considerations. Regular consumption of fennel, ginger, and honey tea can offer long-term benefits. Improved digestion. Regular intake can help maintain a smooth and efficient digestive system, reducing episodes of indigestion, nausea, and discomfort. Immune support. The antioxidants and vitamins present in these ingredients can bolster your immune system, potentially reducing the frequency of colds and other infections. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is a root cause of many health issues. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger and honey can contribute to overall reduced inflammation in the body. Cultural significance and historical use. Fennel. Historical use. Fennel has roots in ancient Greek and Roman cultures, where it was revered not only for its culinary uses, but also for its medicinal properties. It was traditionally used to ward off evil spirits and to restore health. Cultural beliefs. In Indian Ayurvedic medicine, fennel is used to improve digestive health and is often consumed as a mouth freshener after meals to aid digestion and promote fresh breath. Ginger. Ancient practices. Ginger has been used in Chinese medicine for over 2,000 years. It is considered a warming herb that promotes circulation and helps to detoxify the body. Global influence. From Asia to Africa, ginger is commonly used in many traditional dishes for its flavor and health benefits, particularly in soothing stomach aches and boosting immunity. Honey. Symbolic meaning. In many cultures, honey is symbolic of health, prosperity, and wealth. Ancient Egyptians used it extensively in medicine and even as an embalming fluid due to its antibacterial properties. Therapeutic uses. Beyond its sweetness, honey has been used throughout history in various folk remedies to treat ailments from sore throats to burns, showcasing its versatility and effectiveness as a natural healer. Integrating traditional wisdom in modern practices. Educational workshops. Participating in or hosting workshops that explore the traditional uses of fennel, ginger, and honey can provide deeper insights and practical knowledge on how to utilize these ingredients effectively in everyday life. Creating herbal infusion. Blends. Combine fennel, ginger, and honey with other herbs to create custom tea blends that cater to specific health needs. For example, adding turmeric can enhance the anti-inflammatory properties, while lavender can add a calming effect, making it a perfect evening brew. Community sharing circles. Organize or join community sharing circles where participants exchange recipes, preparation methods, and personal anecdotes about their experiences with herbal remedies. This can be a rich source of communal knowledge and support. Expanding your herbal tea repertoire. Experiment with local ingredients. Explore local herbs and spices that can be added to your tea to tailor it to your taste and health requirements. This not only diversifies your intake, but also helps in supporting local producers. Seasonal and personalized tea making. Adjust your tea recipes with the seasons by incorporating seasonal herbs and fruits, which can provide optimal health benefits and fresher flavors. Personalized teas to address seasonal allergies, mood fluctuations, or energy levels. Additional tips. To reap the maximum health benefits, drink this tea either before or after meals to aid digestion or whenever you feel nauseous. For a refreshing twist, try serving this tea iced on warmer days. Experiment with the quantities of each ingredient to suit your taste and desired potency. Drinking this tea regularly can be a delightful and natural way to manage digestive health. Remember, while this tea is beneficial, it's also important to consult with healthcare providers if you have ongoing digestive issues. Keep it concise and informative. Our guide ensures that the information is concise yet thorough, so you can quickly understand the process and benefits without losing interest. Each section is clearly titled, making it easy for you to navigate and refer back to specific parts as needed. Enjoy making and sipping your soothing fennel, ginger, and honey tea. By following these steps and understanding the individual contributions of fennel, ginger, and honey to digestive health, you're well on your way to creating a soothing, natural remedy that not only tastes good, but also supports your overall wellness. With that said, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and see you next time.